Yo, what's up?
Hello.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Where are you from?
Philippines dear.
Philippines. I'm from Singapore.
Why the fuck you lying?
Really?
Yes.
Ka? Tagalog, maray naman kang Tagalog.
What are you talking about? I don't speak Tagalog.
Gago!
Paghilo, Bisaya unta na lang ka ha.
What?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tagalog gamay.
What is that language? I don't understand.
Yung itlog gamay.
Can you teach me that words?
Wala, wag na.
Why?
Kuya, are you
I'm from Singapore, but I can really understand Tagalog a little bit.
Pag sure diha, uy.
But I don't know how to speak Ilocano, right?
No, it's not Ilocano. It's Bisaya.
Bisaya. Shout out, Bisaya.
Yeah, from Mindanao. Pag sure, kuya, oy, ay,
What?
sure ka, taga ano ka, taga Singapore.
Yes, I'm half Filipino and half Singaporean.
Galon.
Joke lang, te. Joke lang, te. Filipino tayo, te.
Kaya nga, lata naman. Ikaw
Halata ba? Ayun, te. Follow mo ako, te. Kasi nag-ano ako ng friends para more friends tayo dito sa TikTok.
Kaya nga, first time ko lang naman din mag-live ulit.
Yan. Pa-follow ako, te. Follow mo ako, ha-follow back kita.
Sige. Yan, okay na.
Yan, follow back ko yan. Yan, te. Yun, salamat, te, ha.
Sige.